Achoo! Oh, bless you.
I'm an atheist, I'll have you know.
Like, what am I supposed to say to that? What am I supposed... I hope your sneeze went well and released all the toxins? Okay, well, where do you think you'll go when you die?
I'm gonna become one with the earth and come back as a beautiful tree.
Is that so? Okay, so you're gonna be sitting there swaying in your treeness, having a good time until a big sweaty lumberjack comes along with an axe, chops you down, wraps a chain around your trunk, drags you through the mud and muck, throws you in a wood chipper, just goes, spits you out, pounds you into paper. And you wanna know what they do to paper? They print the Bible on it, so...